later in the day and we are in this amazing boat. It's actually pretty cool because my dad is driving with my sister. Say hi.
Ahoy.
Ahoy. Really embarrassing. Anyway, we got this cool little boat thing and we're just going round. We have been in this boat for about an hour and a half, or like an hour and 3/4, and we're just literally on the way back to, oh, you can see that massive boat behind us. We're literally on the way back to the place where we rented this boat, and there is a Bulgarian Falcon. That was just literally, a Bulgarian Falcon was literally just running across the sea, like flying across the water. So yeah, when we get home, we are going to be probably in the pool for about a few hours, maybe. That's at least. Then we found a few fish. We found a few fish, like 4 or 5 fish. Two or three of them jumped up at the water, and they were really ugly. But when we were sitting on here, I was just literally sitting on here, dangling my legs in the water, and a fish bit my foot. So I had to get out because it really hurt. So it's actually cut. It hurts. And then yeah, so we've been. It's just fun to have an experience we haven't had before. And we'll probably do this maybe on Thursday, I think, probably, because we might be going on the harbour cruise. My dad said he saw a dolphin, but I don't even think he did, because if he saw a dolphin, that would be kind of unexpected, because it's a harbour. Would you see dolphins in harbours? But yeah, yesterday they found 13 blue whales and about 5,026, I think, 5,026 bottlenose dolphins, I think. Yeah, that's surprising. But it takes probably 4.5 hours to go around the whole harbour, but we went around the whole harbour, well, around part of the harbour in 45 minutes. So that was good. And America love their flags, literally, because they've got flags everywhere. And yeah, so you have to wear these life jackets, but then like, I'm not wearing them because they're uncomfortable. They hurt your shoulders. But anyway, so yeah. Remember to subscribe. See ya!